Now I'm going to show you how to replace the screen on a Garmin Nuvi, and not the actual glass screen, but how to change the screen in the screen settings to give yourself a new look, a new screen for your Garmin Nuvi. Now obviously the best place to find all of these options is under the settings right here. Obviously it may be different on your Garmin device as we are operating the Garmin Nuvi 2595 LMT, and you may have a different device, but it's pretty much going to be the same under settings. Then you're going to go in here under display, brightness, color mode, etc. Now as you can see under here I have a few things set. I've got my monitor set to the orientation set to landscape. Color mode is to auto. Color mode meaning day or night. I just set it to auto because then it basically goes off of the time of day in my area. And of course I have my brightness set. I've got my display timeout and a few other options. Now we're going to go ahead and go back here and go to map, vehicle, and dashboard options. Currently my map is set to show in 3D. And I have a lot of detail on my map. Now my map theme is Garmin. If you click on map theme, you're going to get a bunch of different looking themes like Garmin, Belgium, Denmark, and each one has its own theme. You can see over here to the right the view kind of changing. You go to France, changes a little bit, Italia. I just really like the way the Garmin standard setting looks. So I'm going to go ahead and choose save. Then of course I can add or remove map buttons such as traffic, volume, mute, stuff like that. That also customizes the look of my map. I also have map layers that I can turn on and off, such as places along the road, traffic, trip log. I can go ahead and turn any of those off that I wish, but I like them all on there, so I'm going to keep them. The good thing about the Garmin GPS, especially with the new Nuvis, is that they offer multiple dashboards. So basically the way your information is displayed, such as here. This is how I currently have mine displayed. If I want to go ahead and click the over arrow, watch it change. See, I get a completely different look, a completely different screen. Whole new dashboard. Go ahead and change it. Your friends will think that you went out and bought a brand new Garmin, and you did not. You just simply upgraded your dashboard. This comes with a lot of preloaded dashboards, and of course you can download more through your My Dashboard or through purchasing new dashboards. But there's plenty of preloaded great looks. Some modern, some really sleek, some that provide actually more information, and some that are actually a little transparent like this one that's actually makes it easier to see the map.